Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2000 MEC paper. The question is consider the z transform x of z is equal to 5z square plus 4z power minus 1 plus 3 where ROC values between 0 to infinity. Find the inverse z. That means we have to find x of n, right? For x of z, inverse z transform is x of n. Okay, so we know that del of n minus k is equal to z power minus k, right? So this option we have to use. Okay, this is the property of z transform. So what is x of n? For z power minus k, the inverse z is del of n minus k. So x of n is equal to, you see, it is z power plus 2. So it will be del phi into z power plus 2 means here it is, instead of minus k it is plus 2, so del of n plus 2. Z power minus 1, so it will be 4 into del of n minus 1. So it is 3 into z power 0, like that we can write. So it is z power 0, so it is simply del of n. So 5 del n plus 2, del n plus 4 del n minus 3. 3 del n plus 4 del n minus 1. So 5 del n plus 2, 3 del n plus 4 del n minus 1. So the option is the right answer. Thank you.